Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 140,000 followers as of today. And I'm here to share one of my secrets to creating viral content on TikTok. Today, we're going to talk about captions. No question, you should caption your videos 100% of the time. In addition to making them accessible to folks who are deaf or hard of hearing, you also make them accessible to people who want to watch them with their sound turned off. When I'm watching TikToks at a room with other people and I don't have my earphones, for example, I watch with the sound off. If a video doesn't have captions, I'm just gonna scroll on by. Lucky for you, TikTok now has captions built in. All you have to do is click this little button on the side when you're creating a video, and TikTok will generate captions for you. You can then edit them for spelling and punctuation if you want. If you want to use an outside program, I recommend Mix Captions. There are several other free ones. So this is an easy yes. Caption your videos. Good luck, be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.